Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to see who got who on the DrawNames app. So if you want to know who got who on the DrawNames app, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the DrawNames app on your device. So if you have not installed the DrawNames app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you just need to open the DrawNames app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of DrawNames, where you'll see various options at the bottom taskbar, as well as at the very home page you'll see the option of the celebration which you have created. Now to see who got who, you just need to open the draw which you have created, and here you'll see the option of assignments or view assignments. So click on it, and after clicking on the option of view assignments, the organizer can see the entire list and the participants can only see the recipients. But if you want everyone to see the full draw, use the share or download option, otherwise it is private for each participant. This means that you won't be able to see who got who on the DrawNames app, but if you want to know it, then you may simply contact with the friends, or you may simply ask it them in a very secret way, and you'll be able to know who got who on the DrawNames. So that's it. That's how you can see who got who on the DrawNames. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.